this was done here at First Steps, and it was very interesting because Sebastian was saying, okay, there was an activity, so there was another page. But here is if I don't help Daddy. If I don't help Daddy, he will be sad. If he's sad, he will get upset. If he's upset, he will send me to thinking time. If he sends me to thinking time, I will be scared. And then he mentioned that he would be scared because of the snakes in the room. So you wonder where is he sent, or just in his imagination. But anyway, we didn't go through that. But anyway, he would be scared, and then we ask, and what if you are in thinking time? So he says, I will be thinking. And this is the important thing of this. He ended up saying, I will think that it's better to help Daddy. And Ana Maria was pointing to us that we should not finish with something positive here, because this is a negative branch.
Or with a conclusion. Because even though if it's a positive branch, the kid is not real. In this moment, we're not like worried about him to realize what action should take, just the consequences. So as soon as he said, like, I think it's better to help, the branch is gonna finish there because there's no more consequences, and he's giving a solution. And what happens here is actually that the kid, he realizes the negative, but he didn't realize why he didn't help his dad. So we cannot like let them to a solution here, just bad consequences or positive consequences, and that's it. And then we can use the cloud to analyze why.
But how do you know that he's going to say that for the next one? I mean, how would I know to stop right there?
I don't know, but you can ask him, like, what will happen, like, negative, like,
So if he says it, then just don't write it down, and that'll go over to the positive side.
You tell him, okay, let's if he says, like, okay, I think it's better to help him.
Right.
So you say, okay, let's analyze what happened, and you do the class.
And I would think that if he already drew it, because he did draw it, just pointing to him, but is that a negative consequence, or is that a positive consequence? Because if it's a positive consequence, maybe it shouldn't be there. We're talking about all the negative.
Okay.
Now, this is a negative action, which is not helping. This branch is the positive side from not helping, which we were discussing that maybe not introducing it yet. Perhaps with the older ones, so we don't get all confused. Because it's basically, if I don't help Daddy, I'm having fun. If I have fun, I can tell her. And all the positive things of not helping.
Separate.
But I think that is good more for the older ones.
The ones that already have the cloud, and they know the cloud, so they know that they're doing the positive because they have a reason of.
If you try to do
at
both.
least while we teachers get absolutely used to these tools, and at least till the children more or less understand that there are consequences. But it is important anyway for us to know that this exists, to see when to introduce it, because we might feel and discover in the process that, okay,
they're ready.
We're ready. We're all ready. Okay.